In this tutorial, we're focusing on two important steps in the Tiffany stained glass technique: foiling and soldering. Foiling begins once all the pieces are cut and ground. The foil width should always match the thickness of the glass. If the glass is thicker, choose wider foil for better coverage and stability. A common mistake is rushing this step, but the smoother your foil is, the cleaner your solder lines will look. Make sure to center the foil evenly, and when you reach a corner, fold it like a small envelope so it doesn't bunch up. Do not end the copper foil exactly where you began. Instead, extend the end slightly beyond the starting point to ensure proper overlap. On curves, apply the foil slowly, stretching it slightly so it follows the shape. Once everything is wrapped, burnish carefully with a fid. Here's a useful tip. If the glass edge feels rough after grinding, smooth it a little before foiling. This helps the foil stick firmly and prevents lifting during soldering. Soldering is the step where your Monstera comes together. Always start with flux. It makes the solder flow smoothly onto the foil. Tack the pieces in place first with small dots at the intersections to prevent shifting. Then solder along the seams in steady motions. The goal is slightly raised, even beads. Avoid going over the same line too many times. Overheating can cause the glass to crack or make the foil adhesive loosen. Another tip: keep your iron tip clean by wiping it often on a damp sponge. A dirty tip will never give you smooth lines. Once the front side is done, flip the sun catcher carefully and solder the back as well. Then seal the outer edge with solder to strengthen the piece. Don't forget to add hanging hooks made from tinned wire directly into the solder lines at the top. This way the Monstera will hang evenly. After soldering, wash the sun catcher to remove any flux residue. For a more dramatic effect, apply black patina to darken the solder lines, and finally polish the entire piece to bring out the shine. With the right foil width, neat corner folds, steady soldering, and these small tricks, your Monstera sun catcher will look professional, polished, and ready to shine in the light.